Okay, part 3 of your study guide, evaluating functions from a table. F of 0 means find y when x is 0. So here's x is 0. F of 0 would be 4. We need to look at the f function. G of 0, again, we want x to be 0, but this time we want to look at the g function. This is f of g of 2. First, we want to find g of 2. So here's x equals 2. On the g function, this is 4. So now we want to look for f of 4. Find 4 for x, go to the f function, and your answer is 8. G of f of 0, first we want to find f of 0, and we did it up here, but we can do it again. X is 0, f of x is 4, so we want to find g of 4. So we're going to go to 4 for x, go to the g function, g of 4 is equal to 2. Find x when f of x equals 8. This time, y equals 8, or f of x equals 8. So here's f of x. Go down to where you find 8, and the x value you had to plug in was 4. To find the slope, we do the change in y divided by the change in x. So 4 to 5 is plus 1. 5 to 6 is plus 1, 6 to 7 is plus 1. So the change in y is 1, and the change in x, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is, or 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So as y changes by 1, x also changes by 1. So our slope is just 1. Function notation is going to be f of x equals your slope times x plus or minus the y-intercept. And we found the slope up here, so 1, and our y-intercept is when x equals 0. Here's x equals 0, our y-intercept is 4. So our equation would be f of x equals x plus 4. If we wanted to find f of 50, we're going to use this equation. F of 50 equals 50 plus 4.